we're gonna do a little bit of a cleanup work here. I'm gonna try to do this while I have a whole bunch of outside noise. There's a train going by, and good grief, there's cars going down the highway on this side like crazy. Anyway, while I'm doing this, I was gonna address a few questions that I've gotten as comments on previous videos, and especially that the channel trailer that I put up here that promotes Rob Bob's Aquaponics for Beginners course. I had one serious well, you could tell a person's got an ego problem when the first thing they do when you upload a new video is ask you if you've lowered your standards. And some clown who goes by Wizard Aquaponics with 2 Z's in the wizard name said just that. And you know, whether it's online or in real life, there's always a little 3-dot menu that you can click on to solve somebody's problem, and that's what happened to him. He can comment all he wants, and his comments are hidden from the channel now. But the reason I'm going to try to do this over here while I'm explaining it, the reason that I went ahead and put that video together to promote that is because, yikes, these aren't going to be good enough. When I first started doing aquaponics, and that would have been, what, 2013, I believe, there were a number of people on YouTube that were doing aquaponics related content. You know, teaching people the basics, and if it wasn't that, they were trying to sell a product such as like Nate's Story, peddling his zip grow towers, and not only that, his upstart university, as he called it, place to go learn to do aquaponics. So he was not only selling a product, he was selling a get-rich quick scheme at the same time. Man, that thing has grown in there. But there was him and Murray Hallam, and I can't remember who else. There's a number of them, but they haven't even been on YouTube. I look at some of the videos that I used to watch, and these guys have dropped off the face of the planet. Last video from some of them, and the most common ones, were like 4 years ago, some 7 or 8 years ago. I don't know where they disappeared to, but they're not doing aquaponics anymore. And when I go to look at their channels, they're still uploading content, but it's nothing aquaponics related. So I really don't know what has become of them. But the people that do continue to produce quality aquaponics related content are people like Rob Bob, who I consider to be the top one. Another one is Rob Torsolini. He has the Bigelow Brook Farms. He made the most popular geodesic dome greenhouse for aquaponics, and he's somewhere out east. I don't know where. Wisconsin? Could be further east than that. I'm not sure. He's still doing good content, but as far as teaching people, I think Rob Bob is probably the most, the best choice for people to learn from. I think I have an incoming call. One moment here. Okay, I'm back. Yep, incoming call. But so there's Rob Bob and Rob Torsolini, both still doing it and doing it well. Rob Bob, I think, is probably the best person to go to if you're new to aquaponics and you want to actually learn the ropes and build a system. I mean, that guy teaches you everything. But the other ones, they've just dropped off the face of the planet, or if they haven't dropped off the face of the planet, they're no longer producing aquaponics related videos. Whatever videos they're doing is something, completely different topic. So that's why I recommend him. I mean, if somebody wants to think that I've lowered my standards or something like that, I really don't care. this channel isn't for everybody, and especially not for people who fancy themselves to be a wizard in the world of aquaponics, but their channel has absolutely no content. 21 subscribers, but no content. Why are there 21 subscribers? I don't know. Goodness sakes. So anyway, I just thought I would throw that in there while I'm working on my cleanup task out here. This is going to be fun. I got another video that I'm going to be putting together next to show how to tighten up the outer skin on the greenhouse, and that's going to be a fun project, watching a fat bastard like me crawling around on the ground playing with wiggle wire. And so that's all. Just thought I would clear that up, and like I said, if more of those keyboard warriors follow me over here from my personal channel and they start leaving comments, they won't be able to leave comments much longer, because that little 3-dot menu fixes that problem really fast. Like, all right, take it easy. See you around next time. Bye.